Hello and very good morning to all my energetic students of Growing Soul Kids Gurukul. My dear students, as we all know, it's time for our studies. So all of you get ready. Our today's schedule: Class 4 Subject English Language Lesson 3 Countable and Uncountable Noun.
A very good morning to all my dear students of class 4. How are you all? Hope you all are well and good. So student, as you know, in our English grammar book, we had completed, yes, 2 chapters. Hope you all understood the chapter well. And today, we are going to read chapter number 3, and that is, chapter number 3 is, yes, countable and uncountable nouns. So before starting the chapter, can you please help me for doing some countings? Ready? Okay. So tell me, how many books are there? Count it fast. How many books are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 books. Yes, very good. Now, can you count the number of hairs of this girl? Can you count the number of hairs? Help me fast. No, we cannot count the number of hairs. So basically student, this is the concept of countable and uncountable noun, that the things, the articles that we can count are called countable nouns, and the things in article we cannot count are called uncountable nouns. Okay? And it is very easy, as it cleared by its name also, countable and uncountable. So let's start. So look here students, chapter number 3, countable and uncountable noun. First one, countable nouns. Countable nouns are real objects that we can count. ऐसे real objects जिनको हम count कर सकते हैं. They can be singular or plural. Singular भी हो सकते हैं वो, और वो articles plural भी हो सकते हैं. Okay, for example, chair, table, car, books and many more. One more thing students, singular words. The singular articles were preceded with a and article. जो singular आपके items होंगे, उनके साथ आप क्या use करेंगे? A and an. Okay? And with plural articles, we will use many, a few or some. Plurals के साथ हम क्या use कर रहे हैं? Many, a few और some. Okay? But in case of any जो word है आपका, वो singular और plural दोनों तरीके के articles के साथ use होता है. Okay? So with singular articles, we proceeded with a and an. With plural articles, we proceeded with many, a few and some. And with singular and plural, both kind of articles, we will use any. Okay? Now student, uncountable nouns. As it is clear by its name, uncountables mean जिन्हें हम count नहीं कर सकते हैं, are called uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are not individual objects. ये individual objects नहीं होते हैं, and they can only be estimated in the terms of quantity. हम हमेशा किस चीज में हम इन्हें देखते हैं? In term of quantity, like water in jug, salt, sugar or hair. Okay, so these are called uncountable nouns. And uncountable nouns are preceded with much, a little, some or any. Okay, in your book exercise, you are going to do some exercise related to much, a little, some, many, a few, a little, these kinds of words. Okay, so this is your countable and uncountable nouns. So student, अभी आपने countable और uncountable nouns को समझा. Now, second part of the same chapter, this is singular and plural. Okay, what is singular and plural? Yes, when we talk about one person, one single person or thing, we will call this singular noun. Which kind of noun? Singular noun. And when we talk about more than two person or thing, so we will call this is a plural noun. Okay. If we talk about the definition, so we can say singular nouns are the nouns those expresses name of one person, place, animals or things. And plural noun are those nouns which expresses names of two or more than two person, places, animals or things. And it is very easy and basic concept of noun because आप from standard first आप singular plural noun पढ़ते हुए आए हैं, right now? So this is singular noun and this is plural noun. When we talk about one person, जब हम एक person के बारे में बात करेंगे तो वो होगा yes singular noun. And when we talk about more than two person or two person, so it will be plural noun. For example, here you can see this is one flower. This is one flower and these are many flowers. So this is called singular noun and this is called plural noun. So let's take some more examples to make it more clear. One cold drink, many cold drinks. One beer, many beers. One car, two cars. One hospital, two hospitals. Clear beta? After this we will do some basic rules to make singular noun to plural noun. Okay? So take out your English grammar notebook very fast and we will write rules. So student, there are some basic rules to change singular noun to plural noun. And these are, first one is by adding s to a singular noun. हम एक singular noun में s add करके उसे plural बना सकते हैं. For example, room and it will be changed with rooms. Teacher and it will be changed with teachers. Simply we just add s in the end of singular noun. Another rule is by adding es to the nouns that are end with o, s, double s, x, ch or sh. वो nouns, वो singular noun words जो कि end होंगे o से, s से, double s से, x से, ch से और sh से, तो हम क्या करेंगे? उस कंडीशन में we will add es to the end. क्या ऐड करना है हमें उस कंडीशन में? es. For example, bench, bench. It is end with ch, so we will add es with this word, benches. Second one is hero and it is end with o, hero, hero. So we will add heroes, heroes, to convert in plural. Next one is classes and it is end with double s. So we will write classes, es in the end. Another one is fox, fox, and it end with x. So we will write foxes to make it plural. Understood? Now third one is by replacing y with ies. कैसे हम एक और तरीके से कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं? y को ies में कन्वर्ट करके the noun words with which ended with y, वो noun words जो y के साथ end होते हैं, we will add ies with these kind of words. Okay, like country, country, it ended with y, so we will write countries, countries. Okay, now family, family, and it is also end with y, so we will make it plural like this, families, families. Clear? So student, rule number 4 is by replacing f or fe with ves, means the singular noun words with which end with F or FE, we replace these F and FE letters with VES. For example, CALF, calf, and it ended with F, so we will change it in VES like this, calves. Okay. Another one is WIFE, wife. It ended with FE. So according to the rule, we will change it with VES and it will be wives. Okay. But student, with this rule, there is an exception also. Some words, some singular noun words which ended with F or FE are not changed with VES. यानी कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स भी होते हैं सिंगुलर नाउन के जो F या FE से खत्म तो होते हैं लेकिन उनको हम VES में चेंज नहीं करते हैं, बट उनको जब हम प्लूरल बनाते हैं तो वी जस्ट सिंपली ऐड S. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रूफ, roofs, chief, chiefs, giraffe, giraffes. Okay, so this is the exception of this rule. Okay, now rule number 5, by adding S to the some singular which end with a vowel and a Y, means कुछ ऐसे singular noun words होते हैं जो कि Y और vowel sound साथ में end होते हैं, तो वहां हम S का यूज करते हैं. स्टूडेंट, अभी आपने अपने प्रीवियस रूल में पढ़ा था that the words which ended with Y we converted into IES. आपने अभी पढ़ा था कि Y को IES में हम कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं, बट यहाँ पर रूल नंबर 5 जो है वो कहता है if a noun word end with Y and a vowel sound, यानी Y भी हो और उससे पहले एक vowel word भी हो, then we will add simply S only. For example, trolley, TROLLEY. So here you can see E is a vowel word and Y, so we will change it TROEEYS only. Here we don't need to convert Y to IES. Okay. Example 2, DAY, day. Once again, A is a vowel word and Y, so we will change it DAYS, days only. Next one is monkeys. You can see MONKEY, E is a vowel sound word and Y, so add only S with this word, monkeys. Last one, jersey, 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 and here once again E vowel sound word and Y, so we will change it like this, JERSEYS, jerseys. Okay, so these are some basic rules to change singular nouns into plural nouns. I hope you all understand well. So student, आपका जो चैप्टर नंबर 3 है, that is countable and uncountable noun, and its second part is singular and plural, so it is complete. इसकी जो आपकी explanation है वो complete होता है आज. After that we will do the book exercise. Till then, take care and goodbye.
My dear students, hope you enjoyed this class, and now it's time for your homework. Dear students, complete video class work in your English language book and notebook. So my dear students, it's time to say bye-bye. Take care, stay at home, stay safe and study well at home.